Fun fact! I am a big fan of fun facts, or الحقيقات الممتعة. Today, I want to bring to you some fun facts about the language that we're trying to teach you here, Arabic. You know, when a language is spoken by so many people in so many places, it's going to develop some weird characteristics and statistics along the way. So, let's jump into some of those today. Welcome to Speak Real Arabic, everyone. As usual, I am your host, Ozzy, from Damascus, Syria. Before I jump into the video for today, though, I want to mention a fantastic opportunity for you. Hala, my co-host of this channel, has a wonderful course for beginners who'd love to learn Arabic called 0 to 15 Minutes Arabic. It is a Syrian dialect course, and at the end, you'll be guaranteed to speak for 15 minutes. You can check the link in the description below. Alrighty now, let's dive into some fun facts. Fun fact number 1. There are several different forms of Arabic. What does that mean? Of course, every language has different dialects or lahjat, but here we have a totally different case. Arabic is a Central Semitic language, closely related to Aramaic or Al-Aramiyya and Hebrew or Al-Ibriyya. And you can find these roots to this day in classic or Quranic Arabic, Al-Arabiyya Al-Quraniyya. We use this form in extremely formal settings and, of course, the Quran. Modern Standard Arabic, however, or what we call Fusha, is the language we use in books and movies and so on. Al-Ammi is what you would call in English the street language. This is what we use in everyday conversation, and it differs completely from country to country. The most common Ammi dialects are Syrian, Suri, and Egyptian, Masri, because of their entertainment influences like movies and TV shows. Fun fact number 2. Arabic has many sounds that do not exist in other languages. One of the most common Arabic words, as you will know, is habibi or habibti, though about 90% of foreigners pronounce it wrong because of that ha sound that exists only in Arabic. There's also the dad in the word daw, for example, which means light, and that is one of the most difficult sounds to master actually. We even have a saying in Arabic, لغتي لغة الضاء, which means my language is that of da or dad. So that's a fun fact for you. Fun fact number 3. There's no such thing as capital letters in Arabic. I remember when I first started learning English or Inglisi as a 7-year-old, I found the idea of capital letters to be super weird. Like, what's the point? I kind of still think that a bit, to be honest. But luckily, Arabic does not have this issue. When we want to emphasize a name or something like that in Arabic, we just use quotation marks. And to mean sarcasm, you know, with the... So, fun fact number 4. English has many Arabic words in it. Say what? Good old English has Arabic words in it. Yes, sir. Haven't you ever wondered why the word algebra or algorithm starts with al, which is the article the in Arabic? That's because the word algebra comes from the word al-jabr, and algorithm is named after al-Khwarizmi, who was a scientist credited with thinking up of the idea of an algorithm. Many other words have made their way from Arabic into English as well, like lufa, which comes from life, and sofa, which comes from, well, sofa, and tarif, which actually is tarif in Arabic. So, one more final fun fact for you guys. Arabic is one of the oldest languages in the UN top 5. Now, we already mentioned that Arabic is an ancient language. Some researchers trace Arabic to the 6th century or Al-Qarn as-Sadis, or even further back with some variation on the language. But given the fact that, modern English, for example, has started in the 14th century, This makes Arabic quite historic in comparison. And that was some quick fun facts about Arabic, just to brighten up your day. Thank you so much, guys, for all the support you've been giving this channel. Hala and I are always cooking up new ideas to entertain you guys, but we always love to hear from you. Jump on that comment section and let me know what I can share with you. What would you want me to dive into next? And do you like my new haircut? All of this is very important for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe so you can be the first to know about our new content. And I'll see you all soon on another video on Speak Real Arabic.